Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetaMask on iOS for Ethereum wallet setup, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your iOS device. In the search bar, type MetaMask. Locate the official MetaMask app by consensus. Tap the Get button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, tap Open to launch MetaMask. When prompted, read through the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Tap Agree to accept the terms and continue. On the welcome screen, select Get Started. You'll see options for creating a new wallet or importing an existing one. If you're new, choose Create a new wallet. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your password. Make sure your password is strong and unique. After setting your password, you'll be given a seed phrase. Write the seed phrase down securely, it's crucial for wallet recovery. Confirm your seed phrase by tapping the corresponding words in the correct order. Once confirmed, your wallet is set up. You'll see your wallet address on the main screen. To add Ethereum, select Buy or Deposit. Follow the instructions for purchasing or receiving Ether. Your MetaMask wallet is now ready to use for Ethereum transactions. Explore the features to manage your assets and engage with dApps. Make sure to keep your app updated for security enhancements. Enjoy using your MetaMask wallet on your iOS device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.